2024, 2025 is the super meme cycle. And guys, what if I told you that I am buying right now $10,000 worth of this project? And the reason for that is I am not investing into projects without a good reason. I think I found several reasons and several narratives that convinced me to invest into this project right now. And like always, what I'm saying on the Crypto June channel, I don't make videos when the project is going higher, because that will result in FOMO, right? We want to buy into the chart when other people are scared. This gives us the biggest opportunity. So I want to dive first into the chart of this project. And after that, I will explain you my expectations about the project and why I am investing right now myself $10,000 worth of USDT into this project. So guys, let's get to the chart. This is the Klaus chart. Klaus is a project based on the Ethereum chain. You can see it get quite popular in the first weeks. It reached an all-time high of 55 million. And I remember those days where everyone was talking about this project. Everyone had their eyes on this project. It goes higher. And after that, there were no new buyers. The price goes down. But there was one thing that the team did that got my attention. They kept building. They keep on delivering to the community. They were unstoppable, but of course people were scared. Bitcoin was going down, and right now you can see that the Klaus team is still delivering their promises. So right now we are at 4.5 million. And one more thing, all the tokens are in circulation, so there is no new unlock. That gives us potential of buying at a lower price if the team keeps on doing what they are already doing. They have big plans that they didn't share yet, but what I see on the Twitter page, what I see on inside the community, the guys are really innovative. They are building like AI things for Klaus to improve the project and don't be a meme, but just be a meme with utility. So what I'm always doing is I am buying when the price is low. So right now everybody is scared. Nobody is believing into this project, and these projects you want to buy. So 4.5 million. Remember this market cap, guys. I personally think that the upside potential is getting back to all-time high. So there's like a 10x from here. But the downside potential is potentially losing like 30-40% maximum. Like, I'm not saying it will happen, but if I do the calculations, there is a chance that you can lose. But for me personally, I'm thinking like, okay, what is my upside potential? It's like a 10x. I can lose if everybody's getting more scared, 50%, 40%. We don't know, of course, it's just speculation. But yeah, that is how I look at projects. And when you're buying at 100 million market cap, you can see for yourself, like, what is the upside potential? Like, of course, you can do a 10x to 1 billion or maybe a 5x to 500 million. But the downside potential is getting back to maybe 5 million or maybe 2 million or maybe even 10 million. And then you have like a loss of 90%. So this is how I look at the projects. And Klaus, maybe you don't recognize them, but this is Klaus. Like, the Klaus project logo is here and the Klaus original character from America Dad is here. So what is my expectation of this project? What is my thought about this project? Before I tell you more about that, guys, I want to show you Bullx Neo. Bullx Neo is a dashboard which gives you the benefit of buying and selling projects on chain. Like, super easy. You can put limit orders, you can do dollar cost average orders. It's like your one in all wallet for on-chain projects to buy and sell. So if you want to get access to this platform, which is not available public yet, it's based on invite code only, you can click on the link inside the description. It gives you access to Bullx Neo, deposit funds, trade projects like on-chain that are not available on exchanges or are available on exchanges because they're also on-chain. And also you can get a discount code with the link. Let's continue my thoughts about Klaus and where do I think the project will go. So right now we can see inside the chart $4.5 million market cap. And one of the things that I love about projects that did quite well in the past and reached a very high market cap is a lot of people are knowing about the project, and you need to understand how the people's head or mind works. What will happen mostly is that once we get back to a specific market cap, as an example, we get back to 20 million. The people who are knowing about this project before and who sold in a loss are now feeling inside their body. Maybe you recognize this feeling from yourself, from investing into the crypto market. Like, you get the feeling of like, oh my God, I sold my back at 5 at the bottom or even at 10 million. We are right now back at 20 million. But initially, all these people bought the project with the mindset, we will go to 100, 200, or even $500 million market cap. So they will feel FOMO inside their body. So what will happen right now is they have their eyes on the chart because they know the project. People start talking about it on Twitter. This will result in FOMO from them. We now see them buying into the project again. We now go to 50 million. And like I said, the people who sold at 20 million now have the same feeling. They are like, oh my God, I feel FOMO. They FOMO into the project. This is how it works with people's emotions inside the crypto market. Same like Bitcoin. When we are at 100K, people are thinking, oh, I will buy Bitcoin. But once we get to 100K, people also think, once we get back to 20K Bitcoin or 80K, I will buy more. I will buy more. We get to 80 or 20K and people start thinking like, no, maybe it's not a good investment. We will go more down. This is how it works. People will always have the strong mindset to buy when we go higher, and when we go down, they feel scared. So keep that in mind for yourself also. And also guys, I'm just telling what I think. Like, I'm not a genius. Like, I'm just a random guy on YouTube. I'm not a financial advisor or something. I'm just sharing with you what I think about this project and why I'm investing in it. Like, I want to invest into teams with a strong narrative, strong team that knows what they're doing, with experience, and also with good and innovative ideas. And Klaus AI and stuff like that is quite innovative with the AI season that is happening right now. So guys, let me know your thoughts about Klaus, and let's talk more about it in the next videos. Let me know your thoughts again, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.